How do we remove glue down flooring? That's the question everybody asks, right? Not really, but I'm gonna show you. So if you are in the process of trying to remove glue down flooring, you might ask that question, okay? So the best bet I would say is hire a professional to do it because they have special equipment that could do it and you get it done a lot quicker. But if you want to try it yourself, you're gonna have to chip it up. There's quite a bit of elbow grease you gotta put into it to remove this flooring. So I'm gonna show you the process that we went with. We hired a company that have a special machine that will go ahead and remove the flooring. The process is similar to tile. The difference is the glue down flooring is quite a bit difficult, or it's a little more difficult. And I find this specific project was even more difficult because I got a little bit of water in here due to the hurricane that we had here in Southwest Florida. Therefore, I believe that helped the glue rehydrate and make it more sticky. So that being said, they took out the flooring. It was an engineered flooring. Once again, it was glued down. They took it off and then they had to scrape all the glue off, which is very tedious. So I'll show you the process that they did. Check it out. I'll show you the final walkthrough and you guys tell me what you think. The floor did not get grinded down, which is another option. And I'll show you that there's some little divots in the floor, which is not from the removal of the hard flooring. It was for the previous removal because there used to be tile throughout the whole house. Stay tuned and we'll go on from there. All right, let's take a walk through the area. This whole thing has been scraped up. There's a larger room. There's some other rooms that's got to get taken care of, but at least you could see what they've done so far. You see that there's a lot of glue still left that they're gonna go back and scrape, and they're gonna use that machine you see to the left of the screen to take up the flooring. As you can see, it's kind of peeling off as opposed to a tile that normally would pop off when you're doing this type of process. So it takes a little longer. It's not as quick as tile, but it still gets the job done. It's a little more tedious. This is it, guys. The flooring has been removed. The swirls you see is staining from the glue that was down at one point. Any chunks of concrete that you see that may be missing is from previous removal. Prior to the wood floor that we removed, they had tile in here and they chipped up all the tile. And a lot of times you'll see these chunks appear because the thin set pulls up some of the surface of the concrete. Some of it could possibly be from the guys who remove the flooring as well, but in some cases you can't even go around that. So this is what it looks like. Prior to installing the new floor, we're gonna self-level it. We're gonna skim the whole floor with a self-leveling concrete, and it's gonna be nice and smooth to receive the new floor. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. In the small areas, they end up doing it with a chipping hammer, but all the larger areas, they did it with that machine that they came in with. All right, so that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was a quick video. I just wanted to show you how things looked. I'll try to get more coming. I'll try to keep showing the project even while the floor is being installed, but we'll see. But as of now, this is just a removal process that we took to be able to remove all this flooring. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, hit that like button. And by doing that, you allow me to be motivated to try to keep growing this channel. Well, thank you very much, guys. Stay tuned for the next video.